Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best basketball hoops from Lifetime and Spalding available on the market today. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly over-the-door option or a premium outdoor system, we've got you covered. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Spalding Slam Jam over-the-door hoop. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $32.09, and it's perfect for indoor play. The 18 inches by 10.5 inches padded polycarbonate backboard is built to last and protects your door from damage. Its 9-inch steel breakaway rim gives you that authentic basketball feel, even in the comfort of your living room or office. Plus, it comes with a 5-inch mini basketball, so you can start playing right out of the box. While the design is compact and lightweight, the build quality is surprisingly sturdy for the price. Installation is a breeze. Just hang it over your door and you're ready to go. The padded backboard minimizes noise and impact, which makes it ideal for indoor spaces. However, it's worth noting that the included ball pump is missing, so you'll need to purchase that separately. The Slam Jam is best suited for casual players, kids, or anyone looking to have a little fun at home. While it's not designed for hardcore dunking, it's a fantastic option for quick games or practice. Pros include its affordability, portability, and ease of setup. On the downside, the smaller rim size may not appeal to those seeking a professional experience. Overall, a great entry-level pick for indoor basketball enthusiasts. Coming in at number 4 is the Portable Basketball Hoop Outdoor System by Aim King. This is a versatile and height-adjustable system, making it suitable for players of all ages and skill levels. With its adjustable height ranging from 3.3 feet to 10 feet, the Aim King hoop is perfect for outdoor driveways, backyards, or even poolside games. The 40-inch high-strength polycarbonate backboard is durable and fade-resistant, while the all-weather nylon net ensures year-round usability. The design emphasizes portability and stability. The heavy-duty HDPE base can be filled with water or sand to keep the system stable during gameplay, and built-in wheels make it easy to move around. Assembly is straightforward, with all necessary tools included in the package. However, at 38 pounds, this hoop can be a bit cumbersome to transport over long distances. In terms of performance, the Aim King hoop delivers a solid playing experience with a standard 18-inch rim and a sturdy support rod. It's ideal for families, kids, and teens who want a reliable basketball goal they can grow with. The pros include its adjustability, durable construction, and portability. On the downside, the backboard size is smaller than regulation, which may not satisfy advanced players. Overall, it's a well-rounded option for recreational use. And number 3, we have the Go Sports Regulation 18-inch steel basketball rim. This product is an excellent choice for those looking to replace a worn-out rim or set up a garage-mounted hoop. The rim is constructed with all-weather, powder-coated steel for durability and comes with a high-quality net. Its universal mounting bracket is compatible with most major backboards, including Lifetime and Spalding models, making it a versatile addition to your basketball setup. The build quality here is top-notch. The steel rim feels solid and can withstand consistent use, whether indoors or outdoors. Installation is relatively simple, with all the necessary hardware included in the box. However, this is not a complete hoop system. It's specifically designed as a replacement rim or for DIY setups. The fixed rim option is great for casual play, while the breakaway version offers a bit more flexibility for dunking. This product is ideal for those who already have a backboard or are looking to customize their basketball setup. Its pros include durable construction, easy installation, and compatibility with multiple backboard brands. On the downside, it lacks the convenience of a full hoop system and requires additional components to use. Still, for its price and functionality, it's a great mid-range pick for serious basketball enthusiasts. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Lifetime 7362148 Infusion Backboard and Rim Combo. This is a fantastic option for those looking for a durable and versatile basketball setup. The 48-inch shatterproof acrylic backboard features fade-resistant graphics and a frame pad for added safety. The 18-inch slam-it steel rim includes double compression springs for a professional feel, making it suitable for outdoor recreational play. The backboard and rim combo is built to last with all-weather materials designed to withstand the elements. However, the mounting hardware is sold separately, which adds to the overall cost and complexity of installation. Once set up, though, you'll appreciate the sturdy build and performance. The acrylic surface provides excellent rebound, while the double spring rim allows for light dunking and aggressive play. This product is ideal for families or casual players who want a reliable, mid-tier basketball setup. Pros include its durable design, shatterproof backboard, and professional-grade rim. The cons are the lack of included mounting hardware and the higher price point. Nonetheless, if you're willing to invest in quality, this lifetime combo is a strong contender. Finally, at number 1, we have the Spalding regulation size 18-inch steel basketball rim with net included. This premium product is priced at $54.99 and offers exceptional quality and performance. Featuring a heavy-duty steel rim and ultra-smooth spring breakaway action, this rim is designed for outdoor play and can handle aggressive gameplay. The all-weather net ensures durability in any condition, so you can enjoy playing year-round. The build quality is outstanding, with a robust steel construction that feels professional-grade. The mounting bracket is compatible with most backboards, and the installation process is relatively straightforward. The breakaway rim adds an extra layer of flexibility, absorbing shock during dunking and reducing the risk of damage to the backboard or rim. This product is perfect for serious players who want a high-performance basketball rim for their outdoor setup. Pros include its durable construction, smooth breakaway functionality, and compatibility with various backboards. On the downside, it's a bit pricey compared to other options. However, if you're looking for the best of the best, the Spalding regulation size rim is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing the right basketball hoop for your needs. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.